Hey, Kristal.
Hi, Sabrina. How are you?
How's it going?
It's going great.
What are you doing?
Working on taxes.
You busy?
I am very busy.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. I won't take up too much of your time, I promise.
No. Some of the primary components of tax strategizing include first taking advantage of any pre-tax deductions that you can on your jobs. So this would include taking advantage of any flexible spending accounts on your job where you can pay for medical expenses that you have to incur throughout the year that may be under the 10% threshold for writing off medical deductions if you're itemizing on your return. Another benefit that you can take advantage of is participating in the 401k. At your job, any monies that you put into your 401k or 403b, if you work for a governmental type of agency or a nonprofit agency, you will be able to put that money in before it gets taxed. So that also helps you to avoid tax on some of your income. After you take advantage of any pre-tax deductions, you can go forward in making sure that you take advantage of strategies that are out there to lower your overall income. If you participate in the business, you want to make sure that you take advantage of all your business expenses that you can. If you are participating, if you cannot participate in the 401k at a job and you're self-employed, making sure that you create some type of retirement planning for your own company and take advantage of that so that you can also benefit from some tax deductions. And then we will want to make sure that we're maximizing any itemized deductions, taking advantage of any unreimbursed employee expenses, charitable contributions, making sure that if you're not paying in state tax, that you can take advantage of the sales tax deduction. And it's a host of other deductions that you would want to work with your preparer to make sure that you're taking advantage of. After you take advantage of lowering your income, taking advantage of itemized deductions and pre-tax deductions, then you want to make sure you're taking advantage of any tax credits, which are a dollar for dollar reduction in your tax liability. You're not in deep doo-doo if you have not strategized for 2013. Cut.
It's such a relief.
So should you be concerned if you did not really take advantage of any tax strategizing for 2013 and now it's the end of the year, now you're looking to file? No, you shouldn't. There are still some strategies and some benefits that you can take advantage of even if you did not plan appropriately throughout the year. One of the ways that we help our clients who have not taken advantage of tax strategizing throughout the year is when they come in, we really go through a very detailed analysis of their situation, which is what we call our UPE process. So we really look to gain a very in-depth understanding of their situation. We ask a ton of questions. We ask them to bring every receipt, every piece of document that they could find related to whatever happened throughout the year. If they are not sure if it's relevant or not, we ask that they still bring it in. So after we gain that understanding, then we can help do and walk through the planning stage. So it may take us a little longer to get through your return for that first year because you did not take advantage of any tax strategizing, but that process is so necessary in order to make sure that whatever we can take advantage of, even this late in the game, we actually do that. So it may require that you not only just gather all your documents that you can, but also have to come up with some conservative estimates for what you need to do on your return. As long as you can find ways to prove it if you were audited, that's another strategy that we look at to make sure that you're going to be okay. If you did not keep receipts throughout the year, so you're probably wondering, okay, am I really, messed up here? Can I do anything? The IRS has certain things that they allow you to use a standard calculation for. So we would look to see if that's something that you can use in your situation. They also allow you to use educated estimates that you can support with other documentation even if it's not from a current year. So there's so many different ways to be able to prove your situation, and you really need to work with an experienced tax preparer or CPA who would be able to know the ins and outs of the different tax laws and strategies that they will allow.